Hey gearheads, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to spot for everything auto. Today, we're rolling out something seriously exciting, the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. Ford has taken its legendary pickup and given it a modern twist, packed with power, style, and next-level tech. If you've been hunting for a truck that can haul, crawl, and cruise in comfort, this beast checks all the boxes. Let's start with what hits you first, the looks. The 2026 F-150 XLT 4x4 gets a bold makeover with a wider stance, aggressive grille, signature LED headlamps, and a redesigned tailgate that's built for utility and swagger. It's clear Ford wants this truck to look just as good pulling up to a job site as it does cruising the city. Under the hood, things get even better. The XLT trim packs a punch with Ford's trusted 3.5L EcoBoost V6. We're talking 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, making towing up to 14,000 pounds feel like child's play. And when it's time to go off-road, engage the 4x4 system and let the terrain tremble. Mud, rocks, snow, this truck doesn't flinch. Climb inside, and you're treated to a cabin that perfectly balances rugged and refined. You get premium cloth seating, soft touch materials, smart storage options, and a massive 12-inch touchscreen running Sync 5. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, voice controls, everything's here, and it runs smooth as butter. Ford also loaded this truck with safety and driver assist tech. From lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, this truck helps you stay in control whether you're on a busy highway or a remote trail. One of the standout features: Pro Power Onboard. Imagine plugging in tools, speakers, even a TV, right from your truck bed. You've also got built-in tie-downs, a tailgate work surface, and optional tailgate step for easy access. It's these details that make the F-150 a workhorse for pros and weekend warriors alike. Let's talk comfort, because Ford didn't skip. The ride is smooth, quiet, and stable, even on rough roads. With dual-zone climate control, heated seats, and ambient lighting, this truck gives you full control of your comfort zone. And for those wondering about fuel economy, the EcoBoost engine delivers surprising efficiency, making it a solid daily driver that won't empty your wallet at the pump. Hybrid options are also available if you're aiming for even better MPG. Bottom line, the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4 is a masterclass in modern truck design. It brings the muscle, the tech, and the style to match, whether you're towing a trailer, tackling the trails, or just turning heads around town. Thanks for watching Car Trend. If you're loving this ride, give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment with your favorite feature, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews, builds, and revs coming your way. Stay tuned, gearheads, the next beast is just around the corner.